Where's your surprise?
He will love this so much.
What did she write?
Mama,
Yay! Where's your surprise?
they just gave me this last time in my carry.
Then who gave you this now?
Dad, thank you, Daddy.
Why did you get this for Mishka?
Because I have asked the questions. I should answer
Correctly. We were asking her addition and subtraction. So she knows the answer. So she got a surprise.
What is the baby?
This is not safe for 0 to 3 years old baby. It's not safe. But how old are you now?
4.
Is it safe for you? Yes, it's safe for you.
But Mitty,
Miti is 3. She will be 4 soon. So is it safe for her or not? No. It's fine.
and
If
Baya,
Anibaya is 7.
he can have this.
Yeah.
But Mitty can have this because he's 3 years old.
But she can have it also if Bua and Fufaji are there to help her.
Let's
Okay.
open this up, guys. Why is this sticking like a glue?
Yeah, so that it won't get open or else all the germs will go inside.
Okay, open this. What? I get the blue color.
Which one?
I suppose you have pink color. There's also pink color up there.
Where?
Up there.
Up there. Wow.
It's a spoon here. What is inside here? It's
a
a
surprise.
It's a toy.
This one is the chocolate. Keep it side. Your spoon.
Let's just open this toy out. Which toy are we get?
Hmm? Oh! What is that? Here's the instruction. Open it up.
This is the next.
Read the instruction.
Third one. Put this on. Okay. Mama, I don't know how to put
That's correct.
Dad, this is a gift for Cocomelon. He will love this so much.
Really? I don't know what is this for. Maybe it's like this one. Wow, it's a superhero. Maybe we'll put tape at the back
No,
so that it will not move like this.
no, it don't need to have tape. He even more.
Oh, very good, Mishi. Yes, you did it right. See, it's not moving now. You're so job, princess. It's super money.
Cocomelon, I have a gift for you. Take a gift. Take a Cocomelon.
We are not always buying her sweets or chocolates. That's why you can see how happy she is. Kahit maliit lang ibigay mo sa kanya na candy, paminsan-minsan, masaya na yan siya. Is it yummy?
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and if the wind's spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that, look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my voice, but baby, I don't.
Same pa din yung aming ulam, yung chicken kahapon. Ito na yung aming breakfast.
Mishka is trying to solve a problem which don't exist. See. Wow. You could have directly handed it over to mommy, Mishka. Wow.
I can get it from here,
Yes.
far away.
So innovative, baby. Okay. Such a problem solver you are, Mishka.
So this is how our Sunday looks like. Everybody's busy. Misha is also busy. Right here. That's my table. Yeah, weather is also very nice. Meron tayong mga labador dyan because I'm washing clothes. But I don't think our clothes will get dry today. Because it's gloomy. It was raining yesterday. I already have my first batch hang and second batch, ayan. Sana hindi na umulan. Okay na yung weather na ganito. Wag na lang umulan para matuyo yung mga nilabhan namin. So nice weather today. And nililinis nila yung park. It's good that they are maintaining the park kahit na ganito yung sitwasyon ngayon. Basta.
This is correct. You are doing reverse. Should you put this side?
Can I see? What did she write?
You should not.
order came, yung para naman dito sa kitchen, LED lights. Kasi plano ko na ilagay dito sa ilalim ng cabinet. But at least still trying to figure out how to change the color.
100,
Mimi, you have to say ready or not. Here I come.
200,
Umabot na ng 200 yung kanya counting.
600, 700, 800, 900, 900, 900. I fight.
So this is where I am planning to keep these lights dito sa baba ng aming cabinet. I'm so happy! Dumating yung aking order! Alam niyo ba kung ano ito, guys? Ito yung ating walis tambo. If you have noticed, yung walis tambo dito sa India is yung pahaba siya. So, pag naglilinis ka ng sahig, dapat nakayuko ka, diba? So, I have searched yung walis tambo na parang kagaya sa atin. I have seen this actually from Sam. Sabi ko, meron pala nito dito sa sa India. Sabi niya, oo, online. So, I ordered mine.
That's a guitar.
It's a guitar. Colorful pa. Or yellow. No, I mean here in India.
I hope it is not plastic.
No, it's not. I have not ordered plastic. Something like in the Philippines. You can sweep the floor
No,
like
take it out here, Manju, so you can do that too.
And I'm so happy. Meron na akong walis tambo. Go get the vacuum that I baby. Yay! No, 2 times of the No, not really. It's same. It's 200 plus, and the Indian style is 180 something.
No, 100.
How much?
Local shop you will get in 70 or 80.
Really? But how's the feel? Is it good? Huh?
Yeah.
Masyadong na-excite sa aking walis tambo. But anyway, ito yung isda na minarinate namin yesterday and we weren't able to cook this. Maraming chicken na natira, so sabi namin wag na magluto, bukas na lang. So ito, kinabukasan na to, tsaka na lang namin lulutuin for our lunch. There's our fish.
Can I see how it's food? What is it?
Let's see.
It's crying.
It's what?
It's crying.
The other one is spicy, ha?
Mama, to make ketchup, okay? Let's eat ketchup.
So I will also add some coriander leaves para kahit pa paano ma-feel na Indian style itong ating sausawan.
See you, Mama. Good, good, good. Yes, Mama, I will wait for more. Daddy, see, I got the table.
Proud of you, Rani.
We have spoon and spoon salt cup and plate and the cap and salad and the sauces. And also mushroom and the
Good job. Mimi is the one who set up our table.
So we eat na.
Yeah, we'll eat. So, sawan and yung ating fried fish. Let's eat! Kain tayo! The fish is fresh. Kaya lang sobrang pino ng buto. Ingat-ingat.
Oh, sorry, I think this is a spoon. I think actually this is a spoon.
Oopsie.
That's okay because it's purple.
Yummy?
Cutting tayo.
Kain tayo.
You eat na, man.
She's eating so fast. Wala.
You take slowly, okay?
No, I want to eat first. I want to be a winner.
No, it's fine. If we eat fish, we don't need to be winner because this is very
No, food is something we have to eat slowly. There is no winner in food.
okay. If you are having food on the table, it means you are a winner. Be careful, hyper spoon, laglagan.
In Madikeri, people are eating fish so fast.
Because those are different kind of fish. There are some fish with less bone.
There was small fish and they were chewing it also.
Yeah. Say that you love me so much, you.
What about me?
I love you, Princess. See, I'm cooking. Mommy is making parkia for tomorrow's stage. Tomorrow is stage na, guys. Meron din siya nagawa. So, ito yung kanyang stuffing, coconut,
Sugar powder.
sugar powder.
Not
Mommy, where's the orange one?
Lugyan mo or next recipe is
anarsa.
anarsa. So, this is rice flour. This is kova. Ito yung paborito ko yung parang binangkal sa atin. All in all, ito na yung nagawa ni Mami. Tapos ito second dish. This is for tomorrow, guys, kasi teach tomorrow. This will be the stuffing. And then ito yung gagawing bola ni Mami. Ito. Gold. Pang mayaman. For rich people. siyang stuffing sa loob. So, this one pala is rice flour with sugar.
थोड़ा सा तोड़ के डाल.
Ating first batch. Ako na yung master chef dito, guys. Gusto ko pag nagluluto, ganito lang, yung prito-prito. Gusto ko ito. Two, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Meron pa guys, dalawang plate pa for frying. And so far, ito na yung aking prito. Sabi ko kay mami, ako na yung magprito dito kasi nag-fasting sila today. And tomorrow also we need to fast. Makita ni mami na pawis ako dito sa kusina guys. Anyway, last batch naman na itong niluluto ko. Pinagbalat niya ako ng cucumber para kainin habang nagluluto dito. Next dish, we are done with parkia. और नाम है हाँ रोटी जितने उसके खा
बट थोड़ा दिन धीरे धीरे स्लो
slow cooking, slow frying.
राइस है ना मोटा
Okay. Because it's thick, so dapat hinahinay sa pagluto. Diri-diri lang daw, slowly. Hindi ganun kaganda yung aming gawa. Actually, this is Mommy's first time to cook this one, anarsa. Hindi kami ganun ka-expert. Pero this one, every year, Mommy is making this. So, galamay niya na yan. Pero ito, natatanggal yung sesame seed. Natatanggal yung aming sesame seeds. Give the try. So, siya na yung continue ng pagluluto nito. Hindi ako masyadong galing dito.
अरे मिस्टर यो
Okay? Ito naman yung flat. Sabi ni mami kasi kailangan 2 days na ipa-ferment mo itong rice flour ba. Eh, yung sa kanya, kanina lang niya ginawa. Kaya hindi siguro dumikit talaga yung sesame seed dahil doon. anyway, this is our preparation for tomorrow's festival. Kids are playing. Yun yung aking mga sinampay kanina. Tambak na naman. Meron pa doon isang batch sa kwarto na kailangan tiklopin. Since tomorrow is stage, I thought that tonight we are going to apply henna. Mommy and Honey are supposed to come here, but now it's already late, 10:30, kasi pinatulog pa namin yung mga bata. So we decided tomorrow morning na lang yung aming henna. So tomorrow, I will see if I'm going to fast. Once we were in Bangalore, I have tried. Before I got pregnant, a year before I got pregnant, pero hindi ko siya na-push, hindi ko kaya because rice is life nga. And then first time mo na gagawin, parang hindi ko yun na-push. And then the next year, I got pregnant. And then the succeeding years, I've been busy with motherhood. And I'm breastfeeding Mishka, so I can't really, you know, do fasting because I have to feed her also.
In first year, I also have done with you.
Yeah, we have tried. Yes, first year we have tried. He's also fasting. I'm supposed to fast for him because stage is like a festival where a wife should do fasting for their husband's long life or well-being. And first year, I have tried. First half of the day, he was also fasting. So instead na ako lang yung mag-fasting, hindi niya ako matiis. So nag-try din siya mag-fasting. But we have not completed that day. We have not completed. But I have tried.
Until evening, I think after sunset we have eaten.
I have drunk water.
Water only?
Yeah, water and some fruits, nuts. But other ladies here, like si Mami, they are not really eating anything. Even water, no?
Actually, it is not supposed to have water also.
But that first year, sabi ko, itatry ko. And then Mami said that you can drink water and you can have nuts and fruits.
Yeah.
Right? Parang yun yung fasting na parang slight fasting na version. Pero yung sa kanila as in full talaga, no meal, whole day, walang meal. So tomorrow I will try if I can survive 24 hours without any meals. So anyway, we'll see tomorrow, guys. Happy Teach.
Please like our channel, subscribe.